What is up, guys? Train Lover 368 back here with another episode of Railfanning. We're back on Barron Avenue on the hill in St. Louis, Missouri. I've been here for about 5 to 10 minutes and I just checked the signals and we got a green on track 1 and track 2 is currently dark right now from the direction I'm looking at it. So I'll give you guys an update when a train is on the approach. Okay, well, the crossings just turned on. Not for any train, turned on for this high rail. He's about almost like halfway through the crossing. And they're not going up yet. Because that other train is coming, but they would probably be going up by now. So, if it doesn't go away, then I might have to just call it in as a malfunction. Because they're still not going up. Yep, he's gone. He's around the bend. And the crossings are still down. In fact, I think it tripped up all the crossings along this section of track. Oh, there goes the Mackland gates. And there go those gates. Alrighty, perfect. I was afraid that I was gonna have to call that in. But, thankfully not. And I'm assuming that we still got a green on track 1, so I'll be back with you guys when that happens. Alright guys, we got our first actual train. I'm gonna look and see what this is. Alright, it's westbound. Let's see what track it's on. It's an Amtrak on track 1 at 4630. Man, I love the message board so much. In the case of a malfunction, you can lift that up. And help people get across. Alrighty, there it goes. I'll be talking to you guys when I see another train coming. Alright guys, we got a train coming. Probably gonna be a westbound. I'm not sure though. Alright, I'll be back with you guys when the train is actually on its way. Alright guys, this time I think we actually have a train on its way. Yep, we do. We have a westbound freight train. We got 9087, 8394, 9033. All SD70ACes. The end of the train right there. Across. Nope, don't see anything. Alright, I'll be back with you guys when the next train comes through. We got a BNSF train coming, guys. It's the first one I've seen over here. 5246 again. 6041 an ES44AC, and 8785 an SD70ACe. And there's an approach on track 1 for Union Pacific. think that's the end. Yep, that is the end. Alrighty. Before we cut, we're gonna check Union Pacific before we cut off. See if there's any trains coming. Obviously there's no immediate train on approach, because if so, that light would be green. Holy cow. Look at that guy. Yeah, that train comes through. Alrighty, everyone. We've got another train on its way, headed westbound. Looks like another intermodal. EMD SD70ACe. This one snuck up on me. Maybe like nothing happened. Alive. We're gonna double check, make sure. All right. I'll be back when the next train comes through. All right, guys, we have one final train coming. Oh, and we got a BNSF train over there. 8118 and 6816. I'll record these in little snippets of clips because my phone's low on battery. So we got a Tier 4 ace in the lead. 3037 ST70AH 64 14, and AC40 towards the top. And then there's the BNSF train on the other side. So I'll be back. All on in this train. Alright, here's the end of this train. Top streets, and then I'll be back with you guys when the end of the other train. Alright guys, the other train already passed this crossing. So I'm just going to end it off here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Turn on notifications. Really helps me out a lot, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay railfanning and have a great day.